Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme 2022 to 2023. Issue price. The issue price of the bond during the subscription period shall be rupees 5,409 per gram, as also published by RBI in their press release dated December 16, 2022. Promoting natural farming. Government is promoting natural farming through a sub-scheme, namely Bharatiya Prakriti Krishi Paddhati under Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana since 2019 to 2020. So far, 4.09 lakh area has been brought under BPKP. Arable land in the country. State governments have been advised to earmark lands with low biological potential such as uncultivable land, land affected by salinity, acidity, etc. for non-agricultural development activities including industrial and construction. Certain Razor program of first edition of India Energy Week 2023 held in Bangalore today. Energy Today in India contest assumes significant economic growth. Indian growth is 3 times of that of global growth. We have taken steps in exploration, production, biofuels, refinery sector, green hydrogen. Today, the buzz around world is that significant part of energy demand in future will be from India. Over 8.6 lakh direct jobs since the launch of Startup India. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade recognize startups with an intent to build a strong ecosystem for nurturing innovation and startups in the country launched Startup India initiative on 16 January 2016. And subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.